On January 1st, 2000, there were 175,000 tons of trash in a landfill that had a capacity of 325,000 tons. Each year since then, the amount of trash has increased by 7,500. And what are we trying to figure out? So if y represents the time in years after 2000, which of the following inequalities describes the set of years where the landfill is at or above capacity? So that's very important. We're looking where it's basically already full or overfilling. So at or above capacity. All right. So how can we actually write this out? Well, so let's just without even looking at the answers, have a bit of a go at it ourselves. So right now, how's this going to look? Well, right now we're at 175,000 tons, and we know that we're adding 7,500 each year. So we can say that our sort of function for how many tons of trash we currently have at any given year is this plus 7,500 times the number of years that have passed. So this will be the capacity at any given year. And well, what are we looking for? We're looking for an inequality that describes the set of years where the landfill is at or above capacity. So it would be at capacity when this function is equal to 325,000. But we want a set of years where it's at or above, which means equal or larger than, or as we usually say, larger than or equal to. So we want years that all of this is larger than or equal to 325,000. And that is actually, that is equal to answer choice D. And again, why does this work this way? Because we have our current capacity. We're adding this much every year, right? This times the number of years, with this as our starting point. And we want an inequality that describes when it's at or above capacity. And that's really critical. That's why the sign is, looking this way, because we're looking for the set of years when this is already bigger than the capacity, where it's already overflowing. So D.